Well, good morning, YouTube. Bright and early. A couple of minutes before 7 a.m. on Thursday morning. And I've got a question. Back probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago, I started work at 7 a.m. running service, and I ran solid all day and into the next day, 4 a.m. the next morning. Now, even if you're slow at math, 7 a.m. to 4 a.m. the next day is pretty easy. That's 21 hours. And my question to you is, what is the longest day that you've ever worked? I know that 21 hours is a long day, but I'm sure that I'm not alone in that, and I wouldn't be surprised if some of you have actually run more than 24 hours. That night, about midnight, I honestly didn't think that I would be able to keep walking. My legs were tired, my brain was tired, and I simply didn't think that even if I wanted to, I could continue to carry my bag around the side of the house and diagnose air conditioning problems. So I put my mind to it, and I simply put one foot in front of the other, and I continued on. After a while, I actually got a second wind, and by the time I was finished at 4 a.m., I didn't feel too bad, really. I was definitely tired, but I kept going and made it until 4. Don't remember specifically, but I'm pretty sure after making it home after 2 a.m., 4 a.m., I had to be back out and at my first call 8 a.m. that day, I believe. And when I went into the office and spoke to my boss, he said that I should have quit. That I should have called the answering service that was dispatching calls and told them that I simply could not continue, that it would not be safe, as of course exhaustion and lack of sleep could cause an accident while driving, or cause me to make a mistake while diagnosing, or simply playing with the system. It'd be very easy to electrocute yourself or cut yourself badly when your body and your mind are not responding quite like they do when you're fully alert. This video is basically in response to my day yesterday. I arrived at my first call at 7:45, and I did not get back home until 2:15 a.m. It's pretty much a luck of the draw as to whether or not you're going to be working a day like that, as of course the customer has to be willing for you to come out, and the company you work for obviously has to do after-hours service. In the Fayetteville, North Carolina area, I believe there are only 3 companies out of the several dozens or more that will actually run 24 hours. And even with a price hike on after-hours repairs and diagnostics, you end up with customers that are still willing to pay the price to hopefully be able to attain comfort once they've had you out to their house and you've been able to diagnose the problem. Thanks for watching. Look forward to your comments and hearing your nightmare stories. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And we'll see you on the next 24-hour shift.